Hi guys, my name is Dr. Ben Donner, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys so you could see what a typical adjustment in our office looks like. So mostly mid-back.
Yeah, maybe a little bit lower.
Okay, let's take a look. So even though your mid-back's giving you most of the trouble, we're going to focus on the whole spine. I'm going to start with the lower back here. Your right leg is a little bit shorter, and it actually stays a little bit shorter when I lift it up. Any lower back pain recently?
No, not a ton.
Okay. Okay, we're going to start right here. Knees look good. Let's work up from here. So there's definitely a spot right through here that shifted. You should have a nice curve back, and then it should kind of start to turn back in, but right here it's flattened out a little bit. So we'll get that adjusted in a second here. Come back to that. Any neck pain or headaches?
Tight neck, muscle wise, and
Sure.
tight. But
Job stress.
that's right. Gotta deal with this guy.
I know. How the Cubbies doing this year?
Terrible.
I know. I guess I haven't really paid attention, but every once in a while I hear how.
Everything I see on ESPN or anything's like, man, they're just terrible.
It's rare that whoever has the best record though wins the World Series though.
Right.
So okay, I'm gonna do a little work on the right side with the percussive here. Okay, everything else is bouncing up there. Let's adjust this next. I'm going to lower you down here. So Pete, I'll have you flip over, spin around so your feet over on this side of the table. Yep, should be sitting here, facing that way. So we're going to adjust this spot right here. We'll take this here, Take a deep breath in, and let it all the way out. And there's just a little push right here. Good. Okay, come on up. Make it spin around here, feet over on this side. And then flatten your back here. A little bit of tightness on this right side right there. Okay, everything balanced up really well. Mid-back moved. That muscle right across that middle part of the back, that's called the trapezius muscle.
Okay.
That'll affect that. Otherwise, you should be good to go.
Sounds good.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to try to make more videos like this just to show you guys kind of what we do in the office and some of the things that we're able to help with patients. Our number is 320-235-8380. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch today. Have a great day.